Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix feature you are trying to use in our network resource that is unavailable. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. In the web browser, simply search for program install and uninstall troubleshooter and click on the first link of Microsoft support. After that, once you open the website, you will see the option of download. Simply click on download troubleshooter and shortly the file will be downloaded. At the top in your download option, simply double click on the file and now to set it up, you will see a tab. In that tab, you need to click on next. Now while this program is detecting problem in your device, you can simply head towards services in your device to make sure other problems are fixed as well. So go to Start menu and search for Services and simply click on the first application in the result. Double click on it and then you will be able to open this application. Once you do, now you need to search for Windows installer here. So simply scroll below to search for Windows installer, double click on it and choose the option of Start in Service Status. Then after click on OK. And that's it. After that, your issue will be fixed. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.